Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 21 GT automatic on 93 octane. We installed the Roush Supercharger. This baby only has 300 miles. This client's from Wisconsin. I think this car only had 36 miles roughly when he left to come down. So we're sitting at 300 right now. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit notify to stay up to date. We're going to check out the engine department. We're going to go over a couple other mods. Let's go check it out. All right, so what mods are on this 21 GT? Hey, in the description, I'm going to put a link. So everything I'm getting ready to tell you, you can open up, you can click on, read a lot more about it. Then, hey, what's it cost to get installed? Email quote@brentspeed.com. We can tell you that. We're in Indiana. And we keep these superchargers in stock, ready to ship. So it looks like this client installed a bra in the car because he just bought it. He wanted to come down. No rock chips. Drove it down here. This is already installed. Doug, let's take a look. So we have the Roush, the 2650. It's the Phase 2 Supercharger kit. Now this car isn't automatic. This is flywheel rated at 750 horsepower. So we're looking for over 600 raw horsepower on the dyno today. He did add the coil covers. These do not come with the Supercharger. So when you buy this, these do not come with it, but we installed them. We do stock those here. You can add them on if you like. We have some oil separators on this. He also did the rear cylinder head cooling kit, set of stainless power long tube headers. We did some awesome hood struts. Check that out. Boom, no hood prop. So that's awesome. I love it when I can pop a hood on a car, show you the engine compartment, and not fight that hood prop the whole time. But hey, check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Remember, DynoJet, SAE. Come over here, Doug, take a look. 656 real horsepower, 6,700 RPM. Torque, awesome, 562, picking at 5,400. Super smooth graph all the way across the board. This is a killer car. He's gonna be super excited. I mean, you know, you go out, buy a brand new Mustang. First thing you do, bring it in, get a supercharger. We also installed the CDC light bar. I love those on convertibles. This is a sweet ride. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And don't forget, you email quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? And you don't want to come in? We can ship them right to your door. Thanks for watching.